So in the previous video I discussed one question of exercise 4.3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का मैंने एक पार्ट आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड हाउ टू सॉल्व इट विद द by making it a perfect square method. Today I am going to discuss about the quadratic formula. It is the most popular name, but it is also known as Sridhar-Charya method, popularly known as quadratic formula method. Firstly, I am going to derive this formula. How to derive this formula, quadratic formula? Look, so firstly we will write a general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0, and I am going to solve this with the perfect square method, and then with the help of that we will get this formula, quadratic formula, popular name. Otherwise it is also known as Sridhar-Charya method. ये कम लोगों को पता है वैसे. Generally we know it by the name of quadratic formula method. So look how to solve this. The first thing, we will make the coefficient of x square equals to 1. So divide throughout by both sides by a. So we have make it a perfect square. We can write this as x square plus 2 into, I have here multiplied this term by 2 and divided this by 2. 2 is cancels out. So without making any changes, I wrote it in the form of 2ab. b is what? b upon 2a. So I am going to add this. In the previous video I have already explained this method. So I am squaring this as well as subtracting this thing. Now add the last term. Now these three terms, take these three terms. These three terms can be written as x plus b upon 2a raised to the power 2 equals to. Now these terms, take it to the right hand side. So we have b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. Simplify it. So we are getting 4ac. Now when we remove this square, what happens? X plus b upon 2a equals to plus minus, this thing we will have to put this whole thing inside the square root sign. Upon, as we know, 4a square is a perfect square number. So instead of this I am writing it 2a. Now take this term to the right hand side. So x equals to what? Minus b upon 2a plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. This is also known as the discriminant. We denote it by capital D. D equals to what? b square minus 4ac. तो आगे से इसको हम instead of writing this we can write it as d also. This upon 2a. So finally we are getting what? So we are getting two values. one with plus sign, another with minus sign, and this is known as the quadratic formula method. Now here three things note down. Firstly, this thing, this is, I have already told you, this we can call it d. If d is more than 0, जो हमारा रूट्स आएगा, it will be roots are real and distinct. Second point, if d equals to 0, roots are real and equal. And thirdly, if d is less than 0, roots are non-real or imaginary. Non-real simply means which is not a real number, imaginary, which cannot be plotted on a graph paper, because we will study about this imaginary number in class 11th, not in class 10th. So I have already derived this. This is known by the name of Sridharacharya method, popularly known as quadratic formula. Here we have x equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This thing is also known as d, capital D, denoted by capital D, and known as the discriminant. So this is the all about quadratic formula, how to derive this. Now I am going to take up some question from exercise 4.3 NCERT, and we will see how to solve by using this formula. So exercise 4.3 question number 1 का मैंने एक पार्ट ऑलरेडी इन दी प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव सॉल्व्ड. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इसमें भी क्वेश्चन 1 को ही सॉल्व करना है, बट विद दिस फॉर्मूला, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला. सो विल टेक एनी क्वेश्चन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कर रहे हैं. इसको फर्स्ट को ही करना है. फर्स्ट के किसी पार्ट को ले लेते हैं. लेट्स से फोर्थ पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ये फोर्थ पार्ट है. सेकंड में इसको हम क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इट्स गिवन टू बी 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू 0. लेट अस सी नाउ यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. Firstly, find the value for d. d is what? d is b square minus 4ac. Now from here, look, what is a? A is 2. Write it here. A equals to 2, b equals to coefficient of x is 1, b and c is 4. A, B, C. Now put it here. Minus 4ac. 1 minus 32, we are getting minus 31. So we are getting negative value. D is less than 0, and therefore this condition applies. Roots are non-real. Roots are non-real. तो उसको फर्दर हम सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. तो लाइक वाइज यू हैव टू सॉल्व अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ दी दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3, first part. It's x minus 1 upon x equals to 3. X minus 1 upon x equals to 3 and x not equal to 0. Why? Because any number divided by 0 is not defined, therefore x cannot take value 0. Now how to solve this? It is not in the quadratic form, so firstly we will convert it into the quadratic form, proper form, ax square plus bx plus c. So let us simplify it. Take the LCM and all. Bring all the terms to the left hand side. Now we have proper form. A is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1. Now firstly find out the value of d. D is what? B square minus 4ac minus plus, so d is 13. Now use the formula x equal to minus b, minus of minus 3 plus minus root d. D is what? 13 upon 2a, 2 into 1. So we are getting 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2. It means x equal to 3 plus root 13 upon 2, first answer, and second answer is 3 minus root 13 upon 2. So we are getting two values. So in quadratic equation at most we can have two roots, two real roots. It cannot exceed 2. Now I am going to solve the second part of this question number 3, part 2. It's 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30 comma x not equal to minus 4 comma 7. इसको ध्यान से देखो, इसमें x cannot take values minus 4 and 7 because if x equals to minus 4 1 upon 0 it will not be defined, and if x takes 7 then this term will not be defined, therefore x cannot take values minus 4 and 7. तो जो कुछ भी गिवन होता है क्वेश्चन में हर एक का कुछ इम्पोर्टेंस है, either you understand it or you don't. So it is, you can very well see it is not in the quadratic form, so first we will try to change it into the quadratic form and then we will proceed. So let us take the LCM. Open the brackets, minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x. X cancels out. Now look, we can simplify it. 11 को कट कर सकते हैं, तो minus 1 left out, minus 1 cross multiply this into 30 equals to 1 into this. Bring all the terms to the right hand side. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. So finally we are getting what? Finally we are getting x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now it is in the proper quadratic form. Get the value of d. D is what? D equals to 1. Use the quadratic formula which is also known as Sridhar-Charya method. So x equals to minus b, minus of minus 3 plus minus root d upon 2a. A is 1. Three plus 1, 4 upon 2, 2. So we're getting 2 and 1 as the answer. So we have solved second part of question number 3. Now I am going to solve question number 4. तो समझ के करना है इसको. Now I am going to solve next question. In the next question, it is question number 4. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. तो ऐसे केस में क्या करना है? प्रेजेंट एज. Let the Rahman's present age be x years. अब कह रहे हैं 3 years ago, तो 3 साल पहले कितना होता? x minus 3. And what is the reciprocal of that? तो 1 upon x minus 3. And it says 5 years from now. x में 5 क्या होगा? ऐड होगा. And reciprocal of that, it is 1 upon x plus 5. The condition says कि reciprocal, sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age is 3 years ago and 5 years from now, sum of these equals to 1 upon 3. Now we need to solve this. So look, firstly it is not in the proper quadratic form. So as we did in the last question, bring it in the proper form first, and then you will use the quadratic formula. So now cross multiply this. 3 into 2x plus 2 equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. 6x plus 6 equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Bring all the terms to the right hand side. X square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Find the value of d first. B square minus 4ac. Twenty-one 4 is 84 plus 16 is 100. Now use the quadratic formula. Minus b minus of minus 4 plus minus root 100 upon 2a. So 4 plus minus 10 upon 2. 4 plus 10 upon 2, 7, and 4 minus 10 upon 2, minus 3. But we will neglect this value. This value is neglected. Why? Since a's cannot be negative, and therefore we neglect this value minus 3. So the present age, Rahman's present age will be 7. और इसको you can in the rough you can check. 7 years प्रेजेंट एज है, तो 3 साल पहले कितना होगा? 4. रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 1/4 प्लस, और 7 प्रेजेंट है. 5 years आफ्टर 5 years कितना होगा? 12. रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 1/12. एड दिस. आर वी गेटिंग इक्वल टू 1/3? जस्ट चेक इट. So we are getting 4/12 and which equals to 1/3, which is true. LHS RHS. So our answer is correct. So in this way you can check the answer also. So we will continue from here. In the next video we will continue from 5th question onwards. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। कमेंट भी करना है।